Here we see an overview of Hardwood Junction as it currently looks on the layout. In addition to the interchange, there are also 3 customers served from the second main line. These customers include the Heritage Furniture Company, the Hardwood Furniture Company, and the Greatland Sugar Refining Company. The junction gets its name due to the close proximity of the Hardwood Furniture Company's building, which is also shared with Heritage Furniture. This view, taken from the platform of the Hardwood Junction Depot, shows Pennsylvania Railroad F7 9654 awaiting clearance over the main lines at CP Hard. Panning over to the main line tracks, we also see the line diverging to the immediate right in the foreground, which leads to the intermodal yard, and the line further down leading over to connection tracks 3 and 4 to the Reading layout. Now looking in the opposite direction, we now get an eastbound view of the main line tracks and the crossings at Hardwood Junction. The track with the freight cars standing on it is the interchange track between our Freelanced railroad and our interchange railroad. The switch diverting off to the right leads into the eastbound connection track to the yard. We see the platforms of the depot located just east of the crossings. Here we see an eastbound local freight led by Reading GP7 632 as it threads its way through the interlocking on mainline track number 2 eastbound. This is a local freight operating between 2 of the yards along the system and has caboose 94053 trailing. Finally, we're treated to a view of 2 Delaware, Lackawanna, and Western F7 units leading empty hoppers westbound along mainline track number 1. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please check back for more.